All right, so getting this removed is actually pretty easy. You can see I already started to kind of pull this off. It's just kind of held in place with springs and clips, and to remove it, you just have to kind of give a little force, and it just pops right off. And you can see here kind of what makes up the back of this is just a number of clips and kind of the spring mechanism in the center here. So you can just basically keep this fragile and keep it intact and put this off to the side. All right, so here's kind of what the wheel looks like without that Aero cover on top. Now would be a good time to clean all this dirt. As you can see, it's pretty gross and disgusting. All this stuff just kind of builds up from the brakes and from driving. I have about 5,000 miles on this car, so it's quite dirty. So now's the time to kind of clean that up and get a good clean tire. But for the sake of this video, I'm just going to go ahead and do the installation and come back and clean this all later, just to keep things kind of moving along here. So this is pretty easy to do. This really takes about 30 seconds. You want to take these black plastic lug nut covers and just put them over the lug nuts, and it's going to be another 4 for this wheel. So I'm just going to pop these on. I've already taken them out of the plastic just to kind of make things easier. So these are just super simple. They just literally go on top of the lug nuts, or just covers. This one actually got a little messed up, cleaned it, there we go. And then the center T Tesla logo is also pretty simple. You get them in the box, you take them out of the plastic, and don't drop them on the floor like me. And you can see they're just kind of held in with this spring mechanism. So you just literally want to put this center here and then just give a little force to pop this thing in. Bam, there we go. And that is installed. You just want to repeat this process on the other tires and you'll be good to go. So 5 minutes later, all the wheel cap kits are on and they all look pretty cool. You're gonna be left with the Aero covers themselves. Make sure you keep these somewhere safe, or you can sell them if you want to on eBay, but make sure they're gonna be placed somewhere that they're not gonna get scratched up, just in case you do decide at some point to put these back on your car. But without them on, take a look at the wheels. They look pretty cool. Gives a little bit more of a sporty look. You've got the Tesla T in the center there. You've got the plastic black lug nut covers. The wheel looks a little bit more sporty and looks pretty cool in my opinion. I'm gonna keep it that way for a while. If you guys wanna pick up a Tesla wheel cap kit for yourself, you can click the link down below. I've also got a ton of different options on Amazon. And if there's anything specific you guys wanna see on the Tesla Model 3, leave a comment down below and let me know. I've got lots of new videos coming to you guys very soon. I'm Robert Rosenfeld, guys. Thank you so much for watching. Stay subscribed, or subscribe if you haven't. Like this video, and I'll see you guys again soon.